All right. Hey, everybody, and welcome back to the Automated Options Trading Podcast. We're so glad to have you with us. One of the things that always kind of trips people up, especially when they're new to all this, is figuring out, okay, which brokerage should I even use? And then on top of that, how much is this actually going to cost me? All these commissions and fees and stuff.
Yeah, it can definitely be a bit overwhelming.
Oh, for sure. So in this episode, what we're going to do is we're going to really break down, what are your options?
Yeah.
For both, if you want to do automated trading or manual trading. We'll walk you through some of the things to keep in mind, so you can choose what really works for you.
Exactly.
Both your trading style and, of course, your budget.
Yeah, your budget's a big one. Huge. Really important.
So let's just jump right into it. Let's say I'm thinking about this automated trading thing. I'm busy. I got a million things going on. I want the trades to just kind of happen.
Right.
What are some of the platforms that we should be looking at?
Yeah, so, one of the most popular ones out there for automated options trading is going to be global auto trading. Now, the thing about global auto trading is if you're in the U.S., you're going to need an account with either Tradier or Interactive Brokers.
Okay, so it's not like global auto trading itself is the brokerage.
Exactly.
It's like a platform that works with those.
Precisely. It integrates with those brokerages. And both of those, they have their own pluses and minuses, of course, and, when you're looking at the fees and stuff. So with Tradier, you'll want to look into their monthly pro subscription. It's only $10 a month, and you get unlimited SPY trades. And there's no per contract commissions.
Oh, so if I'm doing a lot of SPY trading, that can really save me some dough, right?
Yeah.
So those per contract fees can add up.
Absolutely. Yeah, you don't want to be, giving all your profits away to fees, right?
Exactly.
Now, the thing about Tradier, though, is if you're trading SPX, they've got a $9 fee every time you exercise or get assigned on an option.
Oh, okay.
Which can be a pain.
Yeah, that's going to eat into profits if you're doing a lot of SPX.
For sure. That's why for SPX, Interactive Brokers is probably going to be the better choice.
Huh.
They don't have that assignment or exercise fee. They do have a tiered commission structure. So that means the more you have in your account, basically the lower your per contract fee is going to be.
Got it. So it's like a volume discount, basically. The more you trade or the bigger your account, the cheaper it gets.
Exactly. Now, we got to mention, too, for our international listeners out there or anyone who's not using global auto trading, there's another option you might want to check out. It's called Auto Shares. And the great thing about this one is it works for both U.S. and non-U.S. clients.
Oh, okay.
And you can automate your options trading, just like with global auto trading. They charge a fee based on your transactions and number of contracts, so you'll want to compare that to the other options and see, which one works best for you.
Awesome. So we've got, like you said, global auto trading, which integrates with Tradier or Interactive Brokers. And then we have Auto Shares as like a standalone option for automated trading.
Right.
And now I know that global auto trading, the platform itself, has like a monthly fee, right?
Yeah, and the cost is going to depend on how many of their newsletters you end up subscribing to.
Cool. So we've talked about the automated trading platforms. But what if I'm someone who, I'm more hands-on, I like to make my own trading decisions.
Right.
What are some of the more popular brokerages out there for manual trading?
Well, for manual trading, Thinkorswim is super popular. People really love their on-demand feature, which is really cool. Basically, it lets you go back in time and test out different trading strategies using actual historical options data, going all the way back to 2009.
Wow, that's really cool. So you can see how a strategy would have actually performed, in the past and see if it actually would have worked.
Exactly. It's a really fantastic way to learn and to refine your approach. And then on top of that, they also have paper trading, which means you can practice your trades without risking any real money. Now, they do charge a per contract fee, but it's pretty reasonable.
Right, of course. Right. Always a catch. So if I'm, really budget conscious, what are some other good options for me to look at?
So if you're looking for, a more budget-friendly option, Tasty Trade is definitely worth checking out. They have a super simple fee structure. It's just $1 to open a contract and nothing to close it.
That's pretty attractive, especially if I'm a more active trader. Are there any other brokerages that are, kind of in that same price range or similar to that?
Yeah. Another popular one is TradeStation. They also charge a per contract fee. And they've got some really good tutorials online that show you exactly how to set up an account. So that can be helpful if you're, just starting out and you're not really sure what to do.
Yeah, it makes it easy, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Cool. Now, I've heard about these platforms that are like completely commission free. Is that real?
It almost sounds too good to be true, right?
Yeah.
But Actually, First Trade offers completely commission-free trading, for real.
Wow.
And this can be a game changer for some traders, especially, if you're trading frequently.
Yeah, that's pretty incredible. Okay, so to kind of sum all this up, we've got a ton of different options out there for both automated and manual traders.
Right.
The important thing seems to be, what kind of trader am I?
Yeah.
Figure out what your trading style is.
Yeah.
And then do a little homework, right?
Yeah.
See which brokerage has the best fees and the best features for you.
Exactly. And, another thing to remember is commission rates can change. So it's always a good idea to just double check with the brokerage, make sure you have the latest information, before you open an account.
Yeah, great point. Don't want to get caught with any surprise fees or anything. Cool. Well, that is it for this episode. We hope this helped clear up some of the confusion about brokerages and commissions and all that. As always, we've got more resources on our website if you want to check them out, including some tutorials on how to open an account with all the brokerages that we talked about today. And of course, feel free to reach out if you have any questions at all. If you enjoyed this episode and want to stay ahead with fresh insights every other day, don't forget to hit that subscribe button or follow our podcast. We've got more exciting content coming your way, and we can't wait to have you back. See you soon.